For today's software engineering interview, we'd like you to explain how DNS works. Put simply, the DNS is really just a giant key value store. You give it some URL and it will just return the IP where you can actually access that website. Can you explain what's actually happening in the DNS server there? Okay, your browser doesn't actually interact with the DNS server directly. It interacts with something called the DNS resolver or a recursive resolver. It makes a request here which will first go to the root DNS server. Okay, and what does that root server do? The job of the root server is just to forward your request to the correct top-level domain server that has the website you're looking for. This is things like .com, .net, or .gov. Now, the top-level domain server still doesn't know the IP you need to go to, but it does know which authoritative server has that IP based on this URL here. So it forwards your request to the authoritative server gets the IP, and the IP is passed all the way back to that DNS resolver, which gives it to the browser. And does this happen every single time I visit a website? Nope. All your browser actually needs is that IP to get to the website. So browsers usually cache this kind of information, and if you're coming back to the same website all the time, this is only happening on the first time you do it.